Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend hatch, stock reference number 5151. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 2 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.